What is risk? Risk refers to the possibility of something bad happening. It's the uncertainty about the effects of an activity or event on something that you value, often focusing on negative consequences. Here's a breakdown of the concept of risk: uncertainty. There's an element of doubt or lack of complete knowledge about the outcome. You're not entirely sure what will happen. Potential for negative consequences: the outcome you're uncertain about could lead to something negative. This could be harm, loss, or some other undesirable situation. Value at stake: there's something you care about that could be affected by the uncertain outcome. This could be your health, finances, property, reputation, or something else. For example, if you decide to go for a run in the rain, there's a risk of you getting sick. You're uncertain about whether you'll get sick. Uncertainty: getting sick is a negative consequence. And your health is something you value at stake. Risk is all around us, and it's important to be aware of it so you can make informed decisions. By understanding the potential risks involved, you can take steps to mitigate them or avoid them altogether.